Hi everyone, this is Amit from Relanote. Today I'm going to show you how you can create notes using our AI tools. Let's get started. So to begin, you just click the forward slash on your keyboard, select the Write with AI option and enter the topic that you want to. Today I'm going to start with a simple topic, human brain anatomy. Assuming you're a student or a researcher, you want to know more about this topic and you want to get information and gather it together in notes. So once you click the purple button, you'll get information back from AI. Right now, we're just going to accept it without editing it, and I'll show you how we can enhance this information. So um, let's start by creating new notes for the major topics here: cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, cerebro, spinal fluid, and meninges, blood supply, neuroplasticity, and we can enhance these topics, the subtopics that we don't want to create separate notes for using the autocomplete. So you just right click again, um, forward slash, and you select the AI autocomplete, and it'll create, uh, you know, it'll get you more information on this topic, motor cortex, and this part of the text was created using autocomplete. So let me do it for a couple more. Sensory cortex, again, this was created for this one. Broca's area, this one, and the last one I'll do is Wernicke's area. All right, cool. We can now go to the notes that we created here for these major topics and start building them out. And again, we go through the same process. Accept, and then I want to get more information about the frontal lobe and so on. So I'll keep going. And once you gather all of these notes together, you will have a nice graph which you can use. I'm going to pause the video now and I'll just create those notes and come back to you when I have the graph. All right. We have a graph now. Let's reset positions. Yeah, that's kind of looking good. It's building out. Let's do the last couple of notes before we end. Oh. As we are building out these notes, I'm not worried about editing them yet. We'll expand on them, edit them later. Right now, we're just going to accept uh, what AI is giving us. And as I showed you before, we can expand on them using, continue with AI, which we'll do for each of these notes. Right now, I'm just going to accept them. Like, for example, if you wanted to expand on spatial awareness, you would just do /AI autocomplete at the end of that paragraph. And then it kind of, will give you more information that particular topic. All right. The last thing, or sorry, the second last thing that we need to do is make sure we put each of these into a notebook. So I've named this brain. Just going to save the notes there. Go back to my graph, reset. All right. So this is what we have. We have the human brain note, and then we have all these major notes. Oops. Let me save it. There you go. We have the human brain node, which has these major nodes. We have these sub nodes under some of these nodes, like the cerebrum, as the frontal lobe, temporal lobe, etc. And now, in the main article, I just want to do one last thing: is I want to add an image that I downloaded from Google, and I want to give credit uh, to the site that I got the image from. So let me just paste that here. All right, that's done. Now we have a good starting point from where we can delve more into the topic and create more subtopics. For example, you might want to expand on these subtopics, or you might want to create a new note and add images or references, etc. One final thing before I go is each of these notes will have, let me move this, like a reference point. Let me just refresh and then go to your sub note. You'll see the reference here of the main note. You can click on that anytime to go back to that. You'll also see references below each of the other subnodes. So this one's being referenced in the cerebrum node. So that's why you see that there. So yeah. All right. That's it. Thank you.